We will now see some examples of high-quality decorations obtained with Grassello Di Calce using special application techniques. Use a stainless steel trowel to apply Grassello Di Calce. At least 2 coats of ready-to-use Grassello Di Calce should be applied as primer and 1 more for the finish. An average of approximately 1 kilogram per square meter is consumed. First of all, level off the surface to make it uniform and smooth. Apply another coat of the product to create the appropriate thickness, trying to avoid surface imperfections after waiting at least 12 hours. After another 12 hours, sand down the substrate to eliminate any imperfections with 220 grit grade sandpaper and then remove the resulting dust. Before the finishing job is begun, the stainless steel spatula blade that will be used should be checked. Use 1500 grit grade sandpaper on it to remove any surface scratches that may affect the final glossy appearance of Grassello Di Calce. To obtain the two-tone effect with Grassello Di Calce, deposit the first colour in small amounts on the surface, avoiding gloss finishing. And then apply the second colour, compacting it and glossing it with the stainless steel trowel. Place the tool diagonally on the surface and use it to press the surface firmly before the coat dries completely.